As you can see, I am dressed in fuchsia and ready for the party. Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures with Courtney. And in today's video, I will be participating in another open collab. This collab is titled Futuristic Fuchsia. We were tasked with creating a tablescape or countertop with a futuristic planetary theme. It must contain moon, stars, planets, rockets, something that has to do with futuristic fuchsia. This open collab is hosted by Marilyn of It's a Cozy Lifestyle with Marilyn and co-hosted by Sule of MystyleMycolours and Shelly of Pretty Inspired Decor. These ladies are some fabulous decorating and design divas who are giving it up on the platform, and I'm here for it. As you can tell, I'm here for it all. Stop by their channels and show them some love, and all the other participants, which will be linked in the playlist down below. I hope this collaboration gives you inspiration to create some fuchsia decor in your home. Thank you for watching. Now let's do it. I'm going to start today's tablescape with a floral. These picks are a combination of some I got from Dollar Tree and with a kind of purplish flower with the hot pink. Those are from Ollie's, 97 cents. Place our floral arrangement in this fishbowl vase, and I filled it with Dollar Tree white rock. I have some Dollar Tree easels. It's called a display easel, and I believe they're 2 for $1 at Dollar Tree. And I just kind of took them and bent them in a little. Add to that, for our theme, I took these Dollar Tree mirrors and I painted them fuchsia, and they have a star for our futuristic, because the stars and the white rock remind me of my idea of a futuristic. These fuchsia candle holders were a DIY, and I'll make sure to link that in the description box. Next thing, I'm gonna come in with a white riser. This is from the Target Dollar Spot. Next, I have some white plates, and I've had this set for a very long time. White plates on a wrought iron holder. I have a tier tray with some snacks on it, and I prepared that off camera, and I just have charcuterie at the bottom, then some cookies and a sweet. So I'm gonna come in with some fuchsia napkins that I just folded, cornered, and those out to give it a fan shape. And I'm gonna place that right in front of our tray. And I have a wine glass, also with pink napkin in it, and that I placed some utensil. The other side, I have this small drink canister that I got from Mexico many years ago, and it comes with the matching glasses, little shot glasses. Aren't those cute? Our pink cocktail. And just for a little extra color, these are Dollar Tree bows. They come 3 in a pack. And I'm just gonna place those around the base. There we have it. Our futuristic fuchsia tablescape.
onward where roses bloom. When you speak, angels sing from above. Everyday voice seems turning into love songs.